office.com in the URL. You press that and it asks you to sign in, so you can either press in sign in here or at the right hand top. Here you then sign in with your St John's email address, so I'm just going to put in mine at sj.org.uk. Press next. It's going to ask you to enter your password, so you'll see the St John's thing at the background because it knows you're from St John's. I'm going to put in my password here and sign in, and oops, that's my wrong password. That's my correct password. And then it's going to ask me to approve. So if you've got 2FA set up where you have to use your device to approve your authentication, it should pop up on your phone, or if you don't, it should let you straight through. So it's popped up on my phone. I've said yes on my phone, and then you can either tick this box or not, and press yes to stay signed in. And here you should see your Teams. So if you've got the license, you should have the license, and you should see Teams. And if you click on that, it will open up Teams, and it will open it up on your on the browser. So you can use the web app instead, or you can actually click to install the Windows or the Mac. So because I'm using the Mac at the moment, it's asking me to get the Mac application. If you're using a Windows machine, this link would say you get the Windows application. So you can install it, or you can say if you don't want to install it, you just continue on to the web version, and then you can see all of your Teams up. Once you've got this ready and set up and working on the on a web browser, or if you install the actual application, you can use that. So it'll be the same kind of interface. You can see it's got my details here. If you want to set up a meeting, you press the calendar thing, you select the time of the meeting. So for example, you might want to do every Tuesday, like we normally have the meetings from 9, I think, was it? Sorry, 7. You click on that, you can just say Sidcup meeting. You can invite people if you want, so you could enter, I could enter your name here, Dawn, that's you, and you can enter other people or optional people. You can say it repeats every week, and it starts at 7, ends at 9 o'clock, for example, or you could say 8 o'clock. You don't have to fill in this. You could put in Teams as a location. You don't really need to put anything in, and anything for the description. You could say weekly Sidcup meetup. Okay, and then I'm just going to press dismiss over here, and then you just press submit. So when I said press send here, it will actually send it to you as a meeting. So there's a meeting there. So then once you've got your meeting set up, you can see, you can go into the calendar. When it comes to the time of the meeting, you click on the meeting and you can press join, and it's asked me if I want to use my camera. I'm going to click cross at the moment and cross at the moment. Just say allow for that, and allow it to use my camera. Okay, and then continue there. So now it should, you press join now, and there's a meeting. When people join, it will pop up and say someone wants to come to the meeting. You can accept them. You can share your screen, so you can press this button, it will share your screen. It will ask you which bit of the screen you want to share, or applications. There's your video. You can turn your camera on and off, just like Zoom. You can raise your hand in the meeting. You can put some conversations or chat as well on the side. So that's basically it. It's quite straightforward. If you need me to walk through it with you, I can walk through it with you. And that's the end of the meeting. So it comes up as there. Any chat that's been recorded in that meeting shows up here. So it's saved in there, and again that's in your chat, and there's your calendar again. Okay, I hope that's been helpful.